Why did all the snow on Mount Fuji melt overnight?
Because of the effects of climate change and volcanic activity.
Why has Mount Fuji not erupted yet?
Mount Fuji already has the magma and eruption channels necessary for an eruption, and now all that is missing is a force that will drive the magma upward.
Just how much force would be needed to accelerate the eruption of Mount Fuji?
Back in the day, the Soviet Union did the math. It would take at least 500 heavy bombs, whereas today it would only take one Sarmat nuclear bomb.
How powerful would an eruption of Mount Fuji be?
Experts have projected the power to be at least twice as great as it was 300 years ago, possibly up to level 6, the equivalent of 1,000 little boys, smashing into Japan at the same time.
What happens after an eruption of Mount Fuji?
After the eruption, ash could sweep across Tokyo in as little as 2 hours, followed by water and power outages, transportation coming to a standstill, paralyzing drinking water supplies, and more.
What kind of toxic gases are produced after an eruption?
For example, hydrogen chloride, oxygen fluoride, etc.
Will the eruption of Mount Fuji cause Japan to disappear from the face of the earth?
No, it will not.
What kind of disasters will Japan suffer if Mount Fuji erupts?
The disasters caused by the eruption are generally categorized into 3 kinds. One is lava flow disaster, a debris disaster. Then there is the toxic gas disaster.
Volcanic eruptions are often accompanied by high temperatures and hot lava. So does the climate get warmer or colder after a volcanic eruption?
Volcanic eruptions inject sulfur dioxide and ash into the stratosphere, which scatters sunlight. It could lead to a reduction in global temperature of about 1 degree Celsius.
How high is Mount Fuji in Japan?
With an elevation of 3,776 meters, it is the highest peak in Japan.
Is Mount Fuji in Japan really private property?
Yes, it is. Mount Fuji was transferred to a Sama shrine by the Tokugawa family. Japan has to pay tens of billions of yen in rent to a Sama shrine every year to use it.